What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For working way checking in. This is a 2021 Toyota Corolla 2021. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the trim panel. This handle right here, along with that piece right there as well. I'm also going to show you guys how to take out the fixed glass and the regular glass. With that said, get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Let's get to work. Class is in session. Now see that piece right there? Take it out. That's what it looks like. Take that piece out of there. Then use the flathead screwdriver. You're going to stick this just like that. And you're going to take this piece out. Just like that. Now see? It comes right up. Unplug it. Take that piece out. Okay? The reason why, there's two screws right there, guys. The Phillips. There's two of them, and there's one there as well. So that's three. That's one. That's what those screws look like. Two. Three. Now, once you guys get them three screws out of there, get your flathead, stuck it in the groove, just like that. You're gonna pry it up. Hold it and pry the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. You can hold it open and you can put your hands up on the arm, meet it. Take it out, you're gonna hold it and pry it off now. Just like that. Put it up with it. Untop the wires, guys. Guys, listen, this part is very important. You see these two cables that are just loose? When you guys go to lose those cables, it's very important to put those cables back in the right place. The green goes in the bottom and the white goes in the top. If you cannot remember, go ahead and mark it. Because if you was to if you was to misput this cable and you close the door, it won't open back upon you, and now you have a problem. So just go ahead and mark it. Green goes in the bottom, white goes on top. Okay, that's how you take out the trim panel. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out that handle. First thing first, you gotta get that plastic off. Guys, see this plastic right here? Go ahead and take off that plastic. Now, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside there that you have to do first. And let's go take a peek. All right, I want you guys to pay close attention. In order for this piece to come out, I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. In order for this piece to come out, which is the black piece, I'm gonna show you exactly what you gotta do. Now, you gotta take out the handle, this piece. You see that white piece right there? That's what's holding that handle, that white piece. All you gotta do is hold it like this and squeeze it in at the same time. That bite board back, just like that. Okay, remember, see? Close it back, squeeze it, open up. But whenever you guys go to put back the handle, just slide the handle back inside and close it. If you guys do not close it back, the handle will come out when you go to open the door. Now, since we are taking it out, squeeze it, open it, leave it just like that. You go around, grab it, slide it out. Comes right out. Now, in order to get this piece out of there, you guys see these 3 screws? Those are T30, start at T30. Take them 3 screws out of there, unplug the wire. Take them 3 screws from out of there and unplug that wire. Go ahead, guys, unplug it. See, guys, I need this. That's just need, guys, a T30. Start it. Okay? Go like that. 1, 2, 3. Comes right out. Now, guys, gonna hold it just like that and push it in. Push this piece in and drop it down. Let it sit there just like that. Then you're gonna get you a next T30. You could either use the long one or the same one that I used there with the extension. You guys see that screw right there? You see that screw right there, guys? It's a screw right there. It's a T30 as well. The big reason why we had to drop that lock is to get to that screw. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. And sometimes, guys, these things, they are very tight on there. They even break sometimes. That's how tight these screws are. So you're gonna turn this to the left. Damn, that shit is hard. Man, I don't know why they make these things like that. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I had to grab the extension for it. Okay, now it's loose. Use the flathead right out of there. See, that comes right out, guys. That's how you do that. It comes right out. Now, I'm going to show you guys something that is very important. In order to get this door to open back up, I want you guys to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. Okay, you guys see that, right? That is the lock that we just take off. You guys see the L-shaped piece right there? That L-shaped piece? You make sure that it goes between that orange clip. Make sure it goes directly between it, because if it do not go directly between it, the door will not open back up. So therefore, just grab it just like this. Okay, push it up. You could check, see, it's right between it. Make sure it's exactly like that. It has to be between it. If not, the door will not open up. That's how you do that. Okay, and then just take a silver screw to hold it in place so that it won't fall down on you. Okay, and go ahead and tie the piece back. Go ahead and just tie it back to make sure it don't fall back. Now, when you guys listen, when you guys go to put this piece back that goes right here, they will just took from there. But when you guys go to put back this piece, you have to repeat the process. Take them screws back out, drop this back down. You're gonna put that piece back in there and tie it back and put back the lock. That's how you take care of that. Now, that's how you take out the handle. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this glass from out of here. First thing first, we're gonna drop this glass down. All right, this is what I want you guys to do. The glass moving, right? Drop the glass down. Now, you guys see that screw right there? It's supposed to be 2 of them. That's one. Other one is there. So go ahead and drop it down some more. So up, okay, it's 2 of them. Go ahead and take that screw from right there. That's 1. That's 2. That's 2 screws. Go ahead and take those 2 screws from this, guys, okay? And then move this piece from here, just like this. Go up with it. Take it out. Comes right out. Take this piece out. It's fine. These pieces, all you gotta do is just put them right back where they come from. Now, remember, guys, 1 screw, 2 screw. Take that piece out up here. Remember, guys, look, we got to get this piece out first, which is this glass, before we're gonna take out this glass. So we're gonna come up here, gonna grab this, move this out the way, guys. See that screw right there? There's a fillet. Take that screw from there, okay? Then you're gonna take that screw from there, and you're gonna take that screw from there. Then you're gonna grab this, just like that. Take this piece out, guys. See that? Take it out, just like that. All right, take that piece out. Remember, take that screw out. Take that screw out. Take out the fillet that's up there. Then you're gonna take out this piece along with the glass. Then you are clear to take that glass out. Okay, that's how you take out the fixed glass and the glass. All right, you guys stay tuned and watch the work. Two screws up top. Fillet down low. 1, 2 screws. Move that piece, this piece. Then you're gonna grab this. You're gonna put it forward that way, away from you, just like that. That comes out. Right there. Hold this piece, same process. Forward, away from you. That's how you take that piece out. Okay? Comes right out. Then you're gonna grab the glass, take it right out. Comes right out. That's how you do that, guys. Okay? Comes right out. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to take the front door apart now, guys. All right? With that said, let's go to the front door. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please support the channel, guys. Support the channel, okay? You clap my hand, I clap your hand. Support the channel. Bang the subscribe, bang that like, and share this video. All right? With that said, I will see you guys on the next video.